There's a body in here! Start
Oh,
On September 24th, 2023, at around 2 a.m., officers with the Frederick County Sheriff's Office in Maryland responded to a welfare check outside a Costco distribution center. The caller reported that a semi-truck driver appeared intoxicated and had shattered his own window. What officers didn't know was that this would lead to a shocking and disturbing discovery.
Oh my
What's
gosh.
going on, big man? How you doing? We're not coming in there. You alright? I'm Corporal A-Hole. How are you today? Hey, you're having a bad day? It's all good. We all have them. So listen to me. Here's what we need to do. They got to run their business, right? We don't want to lock you up. We just want to make sure you're okay. We're not taking you to jail. None of that stuff. So do me a favor. Could you just let us know for our safety that you don't have anything in that other hand over there? Can you show me? Just so we feel safe. Please? Is there somebody in there with you? Huh? You don't have any guns, right?
Il servait agir bizarrement.
Okay.
Pour qui ça va pas monter autour? C'est pas rien dans l'autre, mais on va monter là.
Please?
Policier demande c'est le
You have a
retour.
knife?
It looks like a weirdo. So pas gagner dans l'autre, mais on monte man. What the fuck?
So you're clear. So let me ask you something. Are you having a medical emergency right now? You want me to call you an ambulance here? You don't? But you need to do me a favor. Will you cut your truck off for me? We're not arresting you, I promise. But can you cut your truck off? Because I don't want it to roll anywhere. I don't want it to hurt anybody. If you pass out and it rolls...
Vous n'avez pas un va comprendre. Well, c'est une pause vidéo. Policiers ont toujours bien contrôle la situation. Ils connaissent comment vous handle everything. Ils connaissent comment vous faire face ensemble avec toute situation. Parce que immédiatement, ou pas qu'à faire ça au moins de l'an qui est très simple, c'est que vous allez cacher. Ça va le faire plus fouiller. Oh, il a essayé de démarrer.
We got guys back there. I don't want you to run over one of our guys.
Oh,
I know you don't want to hurt anybody, but we don't want you to hurt yourself, bud. It'd be nice if we could just work something out. We're just putting stuff down. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just cut the truck off.
Comment peut-être me see it, man? The fuck?
Don't do that.
Oh, Lali. Damn. Yes, c'est allez. Yo plat caoutchouc yo.
Okay, well, don't do that. We don't
Yo
want
plat
you to.
caoutchouc yo. Pas policier puis ça passe bro.
We're telling you to cut the truck off.
Éterné.
Come out and talk. Yes.
Ça va bien cacher éterné.
Why you just drove over and flattened all the tires on your truck? Listen, they have another stop put that set in there. I'll put it in all.
Ça va essayer aller à tout petit bagarre là hein.
When you
Oh
have the
my
perfect
gosh.
response in your head, but your
Moi,
fingers just
publicité
can't.
ça. Oh
We've
my.
all been there, typing, deleting.
Hey! Let me get in there.
Okay. All his tires are
Yep.
hit with them, so it's just a matter of time until he runs out.
There ain't nowhere for him to go.
Oh,
Unless he goes across the median.
he thinks on PCP.
PCP. He's some SIGs in there laying everywhere. That or meth. It's one of the ones. One or the other.
À tout caoutchouc mais c'est plat là va essayer évacuer.
Yep.
Loin.
Well, his front tires are full.
Sérieux?
This is gonna get dangerous, dude. We're just gonna have to stop it.
Policier gata en situation dangereuse.
Can I talk to you for a second? Look, there's a lot of innocent people around here. We don't want anyone to get hurt, especially not you. Just talk to
Oui,
me
il
for
va
a
me
second,
faire
okay?
mal.
We're not doing nothing. Please
But
don't move. We're not-
il pas camper parce que
Terry,
il pas camper parce que le combat illégal l'a fait. Même que vous dites pas faire rien so les gars connaît ça le fait action le poser ou bien ça le gagne machine a fait arrêter ça. Polisye yo supposé mettre yo à l'abri, les affaires ne peuvent pas pour
I
l'évacuer.
mean, honestly, at the end of the day, somebody's gonna have to make a decision and put an end to it. Hey, I can't get the door, and we can bust the window and take and do it. It's about the only thing we can do.
Yeah, this is work is still moving.
Right. Hey, do we have any more stop sticks to get the fronts? Anybody else got stop sticks?
Ou bezwen ba ekip yo fèche misè a lo. Ekip plaka yo police. Yeah.
Harry!
Oh, that was weird.
Pull your whole front end up, bud. We just want you to cut the truck off. Hey, back up, please. Calm down. Harry, calm down. Hey, something. Is your medication? Who said that? You have diabetes? Who said that? I said. What are you reaching for?
Sa ve se kon bagay, polisye yo mette yo a l'abri.
I have my own water. But your truck's leaking fluids.
Polisye baz. Nan sityasyon kon sa mwen gatan evakye, ba wal mouri pou an job. Polisye yon job li, ok? Di gen gatan yon sityasyon weird kon sa, misye pat pou an bagay yo pa kapon ki sa? De lontan men. Oh, non, ba wite.
Everywhere.
Bagay fe polis. No.
Stop. Don't do that.
Oh, misa voye dlo se yo. Wè sil gen effort zam nan men tak tige tou.
Chalk this thing up, try to immobilize it,
Tak tige tou.
break out that other windshield. Once we get that clear, we can OC him, try to get on the...
Polis cha fè pou yo ken bel koun ya.
Nobody's trying to poison. No.
Oh.
Hey, that'll get you locked up, bud. We're not trying to do that. All you have to do is cut the truck off, bud. I will feed you.
Sa yon atwa wè se polisye vou ka fè yon.
Clothes, whatever you need.
Se a de toje. Tot ka o chok la.
Hey, you got a good hit front right, bud.
Hey! Stop! Because you're tearing up. Stop! It doesn't matter. You're tearing. Look at you're tearing up. We're going to have to arrest you if you don't stop. Cut the truck off and get out of the truck. It's over. Hey, get out of the truck now. You either cut the truck off or you're going to jail. To make myself clear, we're done. Please, I'm asking you nicely. Cut the truck. Watch out! You're going to hurt one of our deputies.
Yo pa bo bagay anko, sou ka fè tout rezistans sa. Se ko bon bagay ki pa normal.
Hey, stop!
De machin nou.
Stop! Stop!
Oh my gosh.
Stop! All over now, bud. Stop. Stop. Terry, stop. They're gonna put a smoke bomb in there. I'm telling you, they're gonna spray you, and it's gonna burn. I get out of there. Talking's over. Get out of the truck. Cut it off. I'm telling you, it's about to be a bad day. Cut it off,
Sorti,
please.
sou pa
I'm telling
jan
you,
de
man,
machin nan,
it's about to
sorti
happen.
an.
If you don't cut the truck off. Cut it off. Mr. Terry, please cut it off. Watch out!
Esi wala anko.
I've got the window open. Windows open. Windows open. Side windows open. He's gonna run out of room back here, bud.
Our plan is when he stops, we're going to spray him or gas him.
Oh, polisye yo di plan yo lèl kampe, se pou yo pral gaz. Bal, bon vaporizasyon depi yo ba ou, lè pa pou yo? Ou bien, yo gaz. Plan polisye yo.
OC, good OC! Stop the truck now!
Stop the fucking truck now, nigga. Oh.
Cut it off! You gonna get it again? Stop!
Men se pa yon zam, mwen se si ten yon zam tel gotan. Pou polisye yo deja men, paske se jan la fe rezistans
He
la.
got the whole pan. He's good. Go. He's good. Go ahead. Hey! Get out of the truck! Terry! Stop the truck! Watch your crossbar! Stop the truck, Terry! Help this now! We can't help! Watch out! Watch out!
Se kon el loun, se kon el ray deja man. Mwen di sa la fe tout rezistans la. Tout moun sa, yon ki
Get out
kore.
of the truck!
Yon pren mi? Yon pren.
Taser! 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 Get out of the truck! Stop it! Cut the truck off! Get out!
La faut résister à tout que balle électrique. Oui.
Cut the truck! Stop the truck! Stop!
Oh my gosh.
There's a body in here! Get out
Damn.
of the truck! Get out of the truck now! There's a body in here!
Oh, gon ko la den. Gon ko nan kamyon. What the fuck?
There's a body in here! Start EMS!
And there is a body in the truck.
Ma'am, are you okay? Ma'am!
Oh,
Are
fille.
you okay? Let's get her out.
Mais c'est qui kidnapping fait?
Ma'am!
Oh, mas é ok.
She's P4, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
She's dead.
Oh, she's dead. Oh my gosh. Mais c'est tout yon fil fout la machine là, hein, man. Depuis mon lèm monsieur am get envoyé on a café mauvais baguette. Go c'est what? Oh my gosh. Yes, un pantalon.
You need to sit down on the curb.
Police secrétaire pantalon sur lui ou bien?
Sit
Oh, votre monsieur est too big, hein?
down! Sit down! All right, sit down. Don't move.
You good?
Yeah.
You need sanitizer?
Yeah, you got any?
Yeah.
I just got cuts on my hands, but I'm
So,
good.
est-ce que là, Haïti, on a fait mauvais bail pour évacuer, pour la police faire pour évacuer. C'est là, Haïti. Bon, bah, de l'autre côté, bah, va arriver, moun va faire bagay qui mal et puis yo évacuer situation, non, mais les minimes en Haïti, il y a,
Have a noise look at you.
Huh?
Have a noise look at you.
hey, dog. You got a kaku, you got go me say, oh my gosh. I don't know kaku.
Do you have a rag real quick before that? Put that on there. Like,
Police say, I get a blessing, I got a Johnson, so.
There you go.
is the EMS over there? Do they have a rag?
They're confirming this one first.
Okay. Thanks, bro.
Police a dit, let we coffee, hein. Police a we coffee, hein. Pour me, police a dit, she's P4. Est-ce qu'on façon policier communiquer le jeune homme qui est mort? So, parce que je dit, she's P4, vous avez dit, she's dead.
Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney.
Policier a fait travail, yo. Il va poser une question, bon, je si policier en Haïti yo éduqué sur ça, so, fait-moi connaître. Parce que, beaucoup, j'aime arrêter, beaucoup, j'aime embouteillage, côté moi, arrêter, mon en Haïti, so, je connais. So, policier seulement gagne job pour arrêter. Il va même poser la question parce que pas détective. C'est-à-dire, il gagne droit à silence, il gagne droit à un avocat, n'importe ça le dit là, qu'a utilisé contre lui. Puis devant, non, audience, ça les court, États-Unis, ok?
If you cannot afford attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state of Maryland.
The driver of the semi-truck was identified as 46-year-old Matthew Sidney Watley. The victim found dead inside the cab was 46-year-old Candace Thompson. Although
From 46 ans, monsieur tué. Pour qui ça? The fuck?
the incident unfolded in Maryland, both were from Sicklerville, New Jersey, and known to be domestic partners. According to investigators, their relationship
Partenaire yo tué, monsieur tué, mon ami. So y'all ladies, y'all women gotta stop that shit. So, par contre, pour quelle raison fille, ok, ouais, mesdames, de nos jours, pas faire genre de bail. Ça me parle si c'est dans l'autre communauté, moi, ça, mais, ouais, dans l'autre communauté, on parle si il y a haïtienne qui comme ça, mais, mesdames, yo toujours, fait une série de red flags, ça me connaît les mauvais signes pour yo. Des filles ont une série de red flags, yo, remarquez quand même, ça tout dit, long sur mon à long terme, vous comprenez? Ça tout fait ou pas envie, comme si investir soi-disant si relation fait commencer au tout pas projeter dans le futur ensemble avec moi parce que conseil de signes conseil de red flag yo remarqué ça fait aussi fun même depuis les moi monsieur me dit donc tout monsieur pas être compris de moi on qui bizarre.
had a documented history of domestic violence in Winslow Township. Thompson had suffered 2 large gashes to her back, and officers recovered a claw hammer and 2 folding knives from the driver's side door. Watley was indicted on 1 count of first-degree murder and 1 count of second-degree murder. Ultimately, Watley would later plead guilty to second-degree murder, and in October 2025 was sentenced to 40 years in prison, the maximum penalty under Maryland law.
This is a call where you walk up thinking it's just a welfare check, and then reality grabs you by the collar and says, brace yourself because this call is about to get really dark.
I don't wanna hear all that shit. Damn! Monsieur tué madame ni 40 ans. Gen même la jaffi ya. 40 ans. Ça fait ça do faire so. Relation toxique, on se pose gen me jeune jouer au monde so. Allez n'a pour l'autre vidéo.